Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Rahul Pillai. I'm a dermatologist and medical director of Chris Skincare Center and Laser Clinic in Chalapudi, Kerala. Today is World Vitiligo Day, and there was a couple of things which I would like to highlight or speak about on this occasion. First is, in this problem, what the patient undergoes is basically a huge psychological impact. The disease per se doesn't cause much harm, but every time the patient goes out in a public gathering or a function or office or looks into the mirror also, they are mentally impacted, and it's depressive actually. So most of the time it's the psychological impact and the quality of life which gets affected, which eventually leads to depression on most of these patients. So I would always say we should show compassion and empathy towards such patients, because vitiligo is not a contagious disease and it can be treated and cured to a very large extent. So the second point is about treating such patients and whether it can be cured. The treatment can be best discussed with your treating dermatologist. There are various treatment options available these days in modern medicine. Treatment is based on what extent you have the problem, whether it's confined to a particular area, whether it's generalized, whether it's only on your tips or lips, etc. And your dermatologist can suggest what's best for you. There are topical creams available, there are medications to be taken, some kind of treatment where you intake as well as exposed to sunlight. There is UV therapy available. There is the latest excimer laser treatment available, which is quite effective. And I always tell my patients, my first approach is to control your disease. My second approach is to reduce whatever damage has been created. So if it doesn't improve in 2 years of therapy, we can always go for surgical options. There is a lot of, surgical options these days, which is quite effective, and most of the time the success rate is very high. So I would like to convey to all the patients or anybody suffering from this problem that vitiligo these days can be treated and it can be cured to a very large extent, that there's nothing to get worried, you don't have to be depressed, and we all stand by you and our support is always there with you. And I hope that one day in medical science we are able to find a treatment where this particular problem can be completely cured without any doubts. Wishing everybody a great day.